May 2025 was absolutely bananas at the Fonte Law. One of my associates wound up in the OR. I, the very next day, wound up in the ER, and I was unable to see or read for about 10 days. So what happened when I came back to the office? Well, I started making a list of the clients who had been working with our injured associate, and I started to get frustrated because my vision still wasn't great. So I pinged my operations director, Eleanor Lynch. Eleanor pops into the meeting and says, "How can I help?" Explained to her what I was trying to do, and she said, "Oh, you want to talk about that now? Perfect. Rebecca Dixon and I created a spreadsheet for you to review so that we can start assigning the work." And I said, "I'm sorry, you did what?" And she said, "Look, we know that the associate who is out on leave, she's going to be worried. She's going to be worried about the clients, and she's also going to be worried about her colleagues, and she doesn't want to burden anybody with too much work. So we want to make sure that she doesn't have anything to worry about. Secondly, for the associates, they need to know what's coming down the pipeline, and we really need to figure out where are we with each client, who owes us info, are we on deck that we owe them something right away, how do we do this? And then for you, you have a whole business to run, and you've been on the injured list. We just wanted to do this for you to take care of you, make sure everything runs smoothly." Did I cry? A little bit. And that was on, I think, a Tuesday. On Friday, in my meeting with my two associates, the other one's out on the injured list, I told them about the meeting that I'd had with Eleanor and Rebecca, and then they teared up. I always say, our tagline, estate planning with heart, that it starts with us. It starts with the lawyers who work here feeling supported, having the time to really spend with each client, having the time to think so that they're helping the clients make really great decisions, that they're not overloaded with work, that they're not stressed. Because in order to be really good at this job, you have to be focused and centered so that you can really listen. I am beside myself proud of my team, of this group of women, and the relationships that we have built together, and the way that we operate this firm together. My name is Patricia DeFonte, and my firm is DeFonte Law, where we practice estate planning with heart, and we mean it. We work with clients all over California on Zoom. Learn more at estateplanningwithheart.com.